Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today I want to do a decision tree classifier in Python, and for decision tree classifier I want to use musicfile.csv for my demonstration. Now if I open my music file to see what it contains, it does have a few records here, like we have the age column, gender, and genre. Now the gender here is represented in the form of machine learning, or you can say it's represented in machine language. For our case here, 1 represents male, so this one represents a male. 0 represents female. That's an assumption making. I'm gonna make a few assumptions that men between age 20 to 25 years listen to hip hop. Men from age 20 to 25 listen to hip hop, and then at the age of 25 men listen to jazz music. Okay, also making an assumption after the age of 30. Men listen to classical music. Men listen to classical music. Okay. For women, I'll make an assumption that by the age of 20 to 25, they like listening to dance music, and by the age of 26 to 30, I'm assuming they listen, or they like listening to acoustic music. And I'm assuming, just like men after 30, women like listening to classical music. Okay. So the file is now well understood. I now have to start working on it. Okay. So I want to build an algorithm. So I'm going to build an algorithm that will predict for us, say, a gentleman of age 27. A gentleman of age 27, what kind of music they like listening to, or women of age 23. So I hope up to that point it does make sense. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import my pandas. So I'm going to import pandas. So that's my first task. Then I will use the read method to import. So after importing it, I'll use the read method to import my music file. So I'm going to use video.read. Now I do want to give a variable name so that every time I want to view the file, I'm gonna use the variable name. Okay, so I'm going to give a variable name music underscore data. So this is my variable name. I'm going to use whatever I'm going to view my file. Okay, so if I call on that, if I run it, if I call on my music file, okay, music. So just import pandas already. Run it, gives me my result on the output. Now what this has done for us is it has converted for us a data frame which is very similar to Excel spreadsheet. So that's how we go about when importing a file into the CSV file in Python. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Bye.